fine.
then pigeon,
Okay.
and then rabbit,
Yes. Okay.
and
Rabbit,
finished.
finished. Okay. Fine. So mammalia last one. Okay. So this
Yes.
way, how many students have completed can write in the chat box. Those who have completed. Okay, Shravani. So total done. Okay, Devanshi has also completed this much. Fine. Then Neha has also completed. Very good. Barbies I have seen. Okay. Then who else? So Neha, Barbie, Shravani. Second experiment is half done. Okay, Ritu is saying that. Okay. ठीक है. So when you will be able to complete Ritu? By which date will be done? Today is Thursday. Today only you'll finish up. That's fine. Okay. So then you will start. Those who have completed, they will start with the next experiment. So Neha, can you tell me the next experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
So read out the aim of the next experiment.
Tissues and diversity in shape and size of animal cells through
Huh?
temporary and permanent slides.
Okay. Now name those tissues according to our new syllabus. They have
Squamous epithelium,
squamous,
smooth,
uh, smooth muscle
skeletal, and
fiber, smooth muscle fiber, then skeletal muscle fiber, and cardiac.
cardiac muscle,
Uh,
and mammalian blood smear.
Blood smear. Okay. So total how many are there?
5.
Five. So everyone remember in that you will find many. In your lab manual you will find many, but you will draw only these which are given according to our new syllabus. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. Yes, na? Okay. Now next after this next experiment, Neha.
Mitosis in onion root tip cells and animal cells from
Huh.
permanent slides.
Okay. So in that onion root tip you will do, and what you will be doing, children, don't write, just copy the aim and start directly with the comments starting with the prophase. You can see in your lab manual, you will find that procedure is also given something. Okay. So that all procedure you will not write. Is it clear? Materials required. Introduction part you just, can you, what you do, you just WhatsApp, then it will be better. Otherwise, some confusion may be there. So I'll be able to tell Neha. Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can show to you right now with the camera.
Okay, okay, show it then. Show it, it will be clear just now then.
And this one.
Right. Okay, so this introduction part, to don't write anything. Then it starts with this 6.1. Okay, so this figure you will not make. Okay, on top, what is given? Materials required.
Yes, ma'am.
So materials required you take up. And then directly start with the prophase. Just turn the page. This figure you will not make. So you can cancel
Okay.
it.
Ma'am, we
This
have to write the procedure.
procedure, how much it is?
3 lines only, 3 points.
Then write it. Okay.
And observation,
Observation. So observations, put just the subheading observation and start directly with the prophase. So what is the first one?
interface.
Interface. Okay, interface you'll write. Now see in this experiment again what has to be done. You will draw 4 figures on the drawing side, and whatever figure, if suppose interface you are drawing, so interface comments will come in front of it. Okay, then prophase is given, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Early or late is not there, direct prophase is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then metaphase, then the anaphase and telophase, isn't it? Now
Yes, ma'am.
in the figures you tell me early and late is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So in this, one to interface is that you will draw as it is given. In all other ones, you will make only the late one. So late prophase, late metaphase, okay, late anaphase, and then the telophase.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear to everyone? All are seeing, it's visible to you all on the screen. You can write in the chat box. Okay, very clear. So You understood now? So how many total figures will be there? One will be your interphase, then one prophase, one metaphase, one anaphase, and one telophase. Is it clear? So total 5 will be there. So what you do, distribute according to your choice 5 figures on 2 sheets. Okay, and that too only the description of that respective one will come on the opposite side. Clear to all? So this way you will prepare. Just show me the tissues also, Neha, so that will also be clear.
Yes, ma'am. And this one. No, this
Tissues before that. Na?
Yes, ma'am. Here.
Okay. So one is squamous. So this only you'll draw. Okay.
And
No
then
need to write
skeletal.
anything, introduction, nothing. Just direct the aim and then the comments and the figure. Okay. And in this one, you will make the last figure.
This one.
This one. Okay. Then next one. In that labeling is more than this C1.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one only you draw. Next one. Turn the page. So only that one correct the same figure what is given for the smooth muscle, and all the comments will come. So in this experiment, remember not more than 2 figures on one page, because you will be able to fit in that much comments only. Okay, and then the cardiac, the same figure, and
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the comments. And then this is your blood smear.
Ma'am,
No,
this is
nerve
neuron.
cell. So nerve cell you don't have to make, isn't it? Then you will make the blood smear.
And
So
this is
blood cell
neuron.
is given. Nerve cell तो बनाना ही नहीं है. Now you make directly that figure which is there next page, the blood
Yes.
film. Yes, the same figure, and all the comments.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then precautions you will write down. Okay, precautions you'll write at the end. That's all. So 2 experiments you completed. Then anything else, Neha? Then with this we'll finish up the section, or something else left?
Ma'am, in this mitosis one is for plant and another is for animal cell also.
Only plant you do. Okay, only plant one, animal one you will leave it. Clear to everyone? Rumisha?
Yes,
Rumisha?
ma'am.
Okay. Devanshi, clear to you? ठीक है. Then after that,
Yes, ma'am.
any other experiment?
No,
Neha
ma'am.
now? Okay. So this will finish up your B section also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now what you do after finishing these 2 experiments, then you send me the PDF of all. That is section A also and section B also. We'll do that, everyone. So by which date will be completed your total file?
Monday.
Monday. Okay, Monday I will get it means, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Monday I'll start receiving. By the end of Monday, that is that day only, I'll get all total 10 PDFs. Okay, and project reports everyone has done. How many students remaining the project? Just write in the chat box. किसको कुछ problem है तो जल्दी से बता दो. Neha has showed me. Then Barbie has completed. Ritu, yours? Ritu?
Ma'am, I have sent you the write-up. Have you seen that?
Complete. I have not given the remark.
No, ma'am, you didn't reply.
Acha, so then I will check it once again and then I will write it. Okay. So others have completed the typing work also. Neha.
Yes,
Okay. Neha, Barbie, Rumisha. You have done the typing also?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So keep that safe. Then who else? Shravani?
Yes, ma'am. Completed the writing and typing also.
Typing also completed. Very good. Devanshi, what about you? Topic is not decided, Devanshi.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I will tell by today.
Okay. Okay then. Okay. I told you na, that gibberellins will not be available. So that's why you have to select some other topic.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you can take up the coagulable, non-coagulable protein. Someone is taking? Now next period I'll bring the list and then I'll check it out. That will be better. So that everything. And you start learning also. Okay, all the things. अभी practicals का बस complete करके छोड़ दो. Then you will concentrate totally on the theory part. Because Ritu has also completed. Then who else? I am able to see only 6. Others are not there. Raj has also left or what?
Ma'am, only 6 are
Okay,
there.
so now we'll start with the topic which was going on. We were doing the movement and locomotion. So now tell me the topics which we completed. One was in that chapter you have to prepare the structure of the muscle fiber. Okay, so the muscle fiber, I told you which muscle fiber is involved in the movement and locomotion, Devanshi?
Skeletal muscle.
Skeletal muscle. Why you call it skeletal muscle?
Because it is attached with the skeletal system.
It is attached to the bones and the cartilage, that is your skeleton. Okay, now can you describe the structure, Devanshi, of this skeletal muscle? Yes, Devanshi, quickly explain the structure of the skeletal muscle.
Skeletal muscle are multinucleated and they are striped. They have light and dark bands.
Okay, long, thin and cylindrical. This you have to say. They are long, thin and cylindrical. Then,
The light and dark bands are made up of actin and myosin protein,
okay, correct.
and they help in locomotion.
They help in locomotion. Only that much, we have done a lot. Ritu, can you explain now the structure of that muscle fiber?
Yes, ma'am. And this
The
skeletal,
figure I have explained. Did you draw those figures? If that figure is drawn in the notebook, you can share and you can explain. You can
ma'am,
just show me. Ritu?
ma'am, the skeletal muscle are made up of many muscle bundles called
हाँ,
fascicles. They are held up
हाँ,
together by the connective tissue called fascia.
very good.
Each bundle is syncytium. That is, it is made up of many multinucleated muscle fibers which are not
Very,
differentiated into cells.
correct.
The
So
sarcoplasm is
Devanshi, are you
enclosed.
listening? Raj, are you Raj listening? Raj, are you there? Raj is not speaking. Raj again left. Okay. Devanshi, understanding now? Because whatever
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have said, that was only what you did in 9th standard. Now in 11th standard, we have done the electron microscopic structure of the muscle fiber. Okay, so you have to explain what just now Ritu said. That what is fascicle, what is fascia. Okay, then say Ritu, continue.
Ma'am, the sarcoplasm is enclosed in sarcolemma.
Huh?
It has sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is the storehouse for calcium ions.
Very good. Okay.
Myofibrils and myofilaments are present inside the sarcoplasm of the muscle fiber.
Very good. Yes.
Each
Acha, can you show
myofibril,
me the diagram? You'll have drawn the diagrams. Today you WhatsApp me all these figures. And I have sent today the other figures also of the muscle fiber. So that diagram also you have to draw. Okay, so draw those diagrams also where it is showing the muscle fiber plus the myofibrils and then the dark band, light band plus your actin and myosin. Okay, that one. So to continue, someone else will explain. Now Rumisha, continue from this part. Rumisha. Structure of the myofibril now. Rumisha will explain.
Each myofibrin has alternating light and dark bands on it,
Yes,
giving it as a striated appearance.
yes,
The striated appearance is due to alternating distribution of proteins actin and myosin.
correct.
Then light bands are made up of actin protein and are also known as
What is this light band? What is light band called, Rumisha?
band or isotropic band.
I band or isotropic band. Very good. Okay. And made
And,
up of?
actin proteins.
Okay.
And dark bands are made up of myosin protein and are known
Huh?
as A bands.
And isotropic band. Okay. Further, one more thing is missing. Rumisha, remembering what is that disc present in the light band and in the dark band?
Hence something I am not able to remember that.
Anyone? Shravani, can you tell me?
Ma'am, Z band.
Z disc. We call it as Z disc.
That is
And in the dark band,
H
what
disc.
is
H disc.
H disc? Correct. Okay. So remember, in the light band, there is a dark band in the center of it, which you call it as the Z disc. Okay, or the Z line also you call it. And in the dark band, there is a light band or a light line is there, which is known as the Hensel's disc or the H disc. Okay, this much is clear to everyone. Barbie, Ritu, Devanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Devanshi, now clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You have drawn these figures?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will start with, now I want Shravani to explain the structure of the actin protein. Acha, what is the distance between the two Z lines called, Bhumisha? That is the functional part. What is it?
Functional
Functional
sarcomere.
sarcomere.
Again,
Functional sarcomere.
functional sarcomere. Very good. Okay. So that you remember. Because it will be enclosing inside the two light bands and between it will be the dark band. Are you remembering? Okay, so the figures which I have sent, they are the simple figures, make it everyone. Okay. And then actin and myosin protein, that also you have to make. Sorry. So Shravani is explaining now. Sorry.
ma'am, each actin filament is made up of two F actin and
Okay.
uh, ma'am, I actually don't remember after this.
Anyone else can explain? Neha, can you show me the figure and explain the structure?
Ma'am, I have drawn the actin and myosin only, not the whole one.
Actin only I want. The actin protein structure.
Yes, ma'am.
With the figure you can explain. So that it will be a revision for everyone. Very good figure. Nice.
Ma'am, the actin filament, it is actually a filamentous structure made up of two, means each one is each, you can say these are two polymers connected, made up of many monomers of globular actin, which
Yes.
together make the F actin.
Very good. Yes.
And then in these, there are these protein, two other filaments known as tropomyosin, which goes along with the F filamentous actin.
Okay.
And with them, we have some protein structures known as troponin here,
Yes.
on the which actually mask the actin binding sites through which the myosin joins.
Okay, very good. Can you explain now the other one? Who else has drawn the figure? Rumisha, you have drawn the figure?
No, ma'am.
All have made the long notebook for this everyday work. This is your rough one. Neha, this is your rough, or this is only the notebook in which you are writing every day?
Ma'am, this is only the one in which I am writing every day. This is a fair one only.
This is the fair one only. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So you have to keep it safely because you have to show me. Others have made a long notebook,
Yes, ma'am.
or this way only you have made the notebook, the spiral ones. You have to keep it safely because everything is in this only. Barbie, can you show me the diagram?
Ma'am, I am not done yet.
Not drawn yet. So you have to draw it. Okay, can be asked in the exam. So Rumisha has also not drawn.
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So can you explain me the that structure of the myosin? Neha, you continue then myosin with the
Yes,
help of the
ma'am.
figure. With the help of the figure.
Ma'am, this is the myosin filament,
Huh?
which is made up of many monomer protein of meromyosin,
Huh?
and it has two parts.
Huh?
The heavy meromyosin, which has the head and this short arm,
Short arm.
and
Yes.
the
Head
light
and
mero
the short arm. Remember, children, two parts are there. Head and the short arm will form which part, Neha?
heavy meromyosin.
Heavy meromyosin. So remember, Devanshi, what are the two parts? Heavy meromyosin, and the second part is what, Neha?
Light meromyosin.
Light meromyosin. See, try to learn, students, in the class only. Okay, everything you have to explain and understand from the figure. You should be able to explain seeing the figure. Is it clear to all of you all? You can write in the chat box. Okay, now next time I want that you prepare yourself to explain the whole structure of the muscle fiber along with the actin and myosin. Okay, then continue. Yes,
Ma'am, in the
uh,
myosin head has two sides. One is for binding with actin, and one is the ATP binding site.
ATP binding site, correct. Okay,
And
and
that's it.
what is the light one? Light meromyosin
Ma'am, this
consisting
is
of,
the tail part.
it is the tail part, okay, which is coiled upon itself. You can see there in the diagram. Okay, so now we have completed with. Now I have to take up the mechanism of contraction of the muscle fiber. So this I will be taking next time. Now if you have any doubt, you tell me. So today we have completed that your practical file will be done by Monday, isn't it? So Monday you will send me the PDF. And second work is that everyone's typed project report you will be sending. Is it clear? And those who have not done the rough one also, they'll have to complete the rough and they will send it to me by Saturday. Devanshi, can it be done by Saturday or Monday?
I'm on Saturday.
Saturday itself. So, but you have to
Yes,
select
ma'am.
the topic and today only you take the synopsis from me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, after the class, anytime you can ring and I'll
Okay,
give you
ma'am.
the synopsis. Okay, the same way Ritu also got it. Raj, what about your project? Raj, whenever I'm talking to, he's not speaking only. What happened, Raj? Raj, you can write in the chat box. Can you speak or not? Raj, you are there? Yes, okay, I got that. Acha, you cannot speak. What happened? Mic problem is there. Okay, so tell me the project topic. What is your project topic? Can you type? Topic selected, Raj. Selected. What is it? So Raj is not able to say. Now Raj just WhatsApp the topic and how much work is done. That also tell me in the group only. Okay, so uh, that's all. We'll end up the class. If anyone has any doubt, next period we'll finish up the chapter. Okay, by the mechanism of muscle contraction. So you read the textbook and try to complete the file work. Then I will give you the work for your learning the chapters which we have done. So Raj want to speak up? You want to tell something? Harunisha say something?
Ma'am, what is the role of cross-arm in myosin protein?
What is the
Role of cross-arm in myosin protein.
that we'll do it, okay? When I will start with the mechanism. Okay, zooplankton from the freshwater pond and tank. Achha, this topic you have taken. Okay. So, but how much you will be doing in this, Raj? Try to take up some other topic, Raj. Okay, select something else. And then take up the synopsis. Okay, so any other doubts? Shall we end up now? So we'll do Shanti part.
Ma'am.
Yes, say.